Hello, welcome to today's lecture. We're going to be reading a message from Lantos from 2010, talking about the wings of Genesis. A week ago, I read to you a message from Lantos announcing the arrival of the Winged Legion, and this is the message that came shortly after that, where Lantos spoke more about the presence of the Winged Legion and the use of the wings of Genesis. So even though the message is dated, the teachings within the message are still valid. The teachings within the message are still things that we can do today. Okay, here is his message. Greetings. We are entering the blessed holy season. The earth is blessed by the presence of the Winged Legion. The very presence provides a great upliftment. We are assembling, we are enlivening those elements in creation for the assistance of this great process of transformation. We are grateful for the response to our calls for assistance. The blessed radiant hosts, the winged messengers of light, bring waves of peace to earth. We are entering the holy season. The value of peace is enlivened through the presence of the great messengers of light. Yes, the blessed winged messengers. In this way, our blessed wings of Genesis enlivens that value of peace. Our blessed wings of Genesis uplifts the quality of the water, the quality of its immediate environment, blessing the structures on a very fundamental level, on the level where change occurs. Wings offer great blessings. Our wings of Genesis is a powerful tool for change, regeneration, restoring the proper direction, setting straight a proper course. Those suffering from attachments to negativity or destructive habits, may find great relief through the regular use of the wings of Genesis. We are very fortunate at this time. The quality of change is lively on every level of Earth's structure. Water is a suitable substance for delivering the benefits, translating the qualities of enlivened peace so as to be most completely received by the individual. The benefits are delivered to the individual most easily, most completely. The quality of wings permeates boundaries, passes through restrictions. The patterns of individual actions, the set habits, form structures on many levels of individual existence. The blessed wings permeate these walls, these patterns. As the value of peace comes in contact with these areas of resistance, the structure of the boundary is lightened. We do not wish to use the word weakened, because when negativity is minimized, we can only speak in a positive manner. The solid nature of the structures of negativity become less solid. We are introducing the finer elements of peace and radiance to the areas of resistance on the level of the individual. The blessings of the wings of Genesis may be applied to difficulties and problems on the larger scale of society. In the same way that negativity may be lightened on the level of the individual, we may lighten that aspect of wrong action, wrong decisions, negative habits on a larger scale through the similar use of our blessed tool. Place the wings of Genesis on the picture of the area housing the problem. If the problem exists within a business, place the wings on top of a picture of the business, the place of the business, or a representation of the business. If the problem exists on the level of the government within a town or a nation, place the wings on the map over that area to receive the uplifting quality of the wings of peace. We will see great blessings. We are entering the holy season. We thank the blessed beings of light for their assistance as we continue in our process of great transformation. Many blessings, dear ones. So again, an older message, but with instructions that continue to be not only important, but very useful for all of us today and going into the future. I will not be speaking with you on Sunday because on Sunday I will be at the Western Gate of Knowledge in Los Angeles, putting the pictures of many of you into the chair of Genesis, one at a time, each of you getting 30 minutes in the chair of Genesis with your photograph. I'll be doing that all day long on Sunday. So I will speak with you again next week, 1 week from today. Okay, everyone, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak with you next Wednesday.